All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chevy Malibu. It is the LT model, this beautiful gray with black cloth interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body, only 18,000 miles in this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good, your front hood looks pretty good, your front fender looks nice, is your front driver's rim, very nice LC curbing. Check out your tire tread. Just at the line of 730 seconds. Let me double check it. That's right, just at the line. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks okay. It's got a little dent there. It's got another dent here in the rear door, on the edge of the door there. And then this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. Just has some minimum carriage, about an inch. Tire tread, it's just at the line of 730 seconds as well. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it off for you guys. Here's a push start system. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player on and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have an airbag light on, and there's your mileage of 18,344. Looks good. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. All the good stuff. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Does have armrest and cup holders back there. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have a heavy scratch here, about four inches. It's two. I'll call it one and say it's about 4. Rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on that one. And your tire tread is just at the line of 730 seconds. There's door. Looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Let's have rear AC vents back there. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender looks pretty good, and your front passenger rim looks good. Tire tread just under 730 seconds. Lights, a working car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 Chevy Malibu LT model with 18,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.